Alright, at the post office, got some pants I bought from Salvation Army, sold on eBay for a little profit. We are gonna... It's always my favorite. I'm told this is a Rose of Sharon bush. Well, I think I looked it up. I wasn't told that by anybody but the internet. But, holy shit. This is my favorite fucking time when this thing starts to bloom. Look at that. So I'm gonna try and finish something I started a long time ago. A long time ago being like the beginning of summer. I pressure washed all my fence. It turned out great. However, I only got about a little less than half sealed. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and get the rest of that sealed today. So this is what I'm using. I think I paid around 80 bucks for this at either the Depot or the Lowe's. One important fact is never let a baby swim in a 5-gallon bucket. I mean, you can spray them with it. You can slather them with it with a brush. Just don't let your baby swim in a 5-gallon bucket, please. Thank you. Yeah, so this is what I use right here. It's just a little like weed killer sprayer. Fill it up with your sealer. Lock your wand in and go. Nice and easy, no paintbrushes, no bullshit. Actually found that tip off of YouTube myself. It's super helpful, so take that and use it. You better use it. Are you not using it? I swear to God if you don't use it. Yeah, sometimes I just hate the way I talk. Said sometimes I just hate the way I talk. Why? Oh, no. Yeah. So I picked this up for $5. This jewelry case box, whatever you want to call it. Got some longer screws, so we'll reattach that lid to the hinge. But we're gonna paint it, try and make it into something cool. I don't know if we're gonna resell it or keep it yet, but this is the before. Little update on our jewelry box here. Pretty much done with the paint. I mean, we gotta do some little touch-up spots and stuff like up around there. But I'm a fan of how this color laid on here. So I'm selling the mower from last episode now, and I didn't realize how weird it is asking people that you're selling to a marketplace, like, do you mind if I film you while I sell something to you? I need to work on my approach better. I do have people coming up from the neighborhood now to buy it. They have chosen not to be filmed, which I respect fully. That's totally up to them. It's kind of weird. I don't know how I would sit with that. Yeah, so I'll probably get me pulling it out and the money in my hand after. They're also trading me 2 mowers that are broken, so a little trade in cash. I love it. I love it. Trade me, give me cash. I'm all about it. Let's make it happen. Made some progress on the jewelry box. Need to do some touch-ups, and then we're gonna paint some cool stuff on there. So I hope you guys sit back and enjoy that. Here's our mower. Gonna get that out here for them. Okay, so this is what we got here. Out of that deal, we got this Craftsman Murray. It's leaking some fuel. So, hell yeah. And then this. So, whew. Today is gonna be a busy day. I'm happy you guys are gonna be there along for the ride. as long as this battery doesn't die. Let's hope it doesn't. Right now we are on our way to go meet up with my brother. And then also too, while I was out waiting for that mower transaction to happen, my next door neighbor told me that she has some weights and exercise equipment and stuff down in her basement that she wants to get rid of. So this upcoming Friday, I'm gonna talk to her and we're gonna figure that out, how we're gonna do that. It looks like we're gonna get this taken off the ground here. Might be slow, you know, but it'll be fun and we'll make it happen for sure.
There's the starter and
cool.
stator and all. There's a lot of shit ton of copper in there.
Cool beans. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. Had some stuff here at my parents' house. We're gonna get rid of that today. This might actually go good in my garage.
Yeah, do want it. I mean, these casters deal on it too, so.
I got it. I got her.
Gave me to fix a while ago. If I can fix it, keep it. Well, the engine's seized. So.
So it's a scrap haul.
You might be able to sell that case separate because it's just plastic.
Yeah. I don't know who's in the. That's something I'll post it up for like a week. If it doesn't sell, I'll just throw it away.
Yeah. Brass.
Oh, hell yeah. God don't make no joke. That's sick. Where'd you get that from?
That last little girl swap meet we went to. It's literally a fucking secret.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah. I yanked your drawers out. It's not a very good safe.
Alright. Can we tilt it on back?
Yeah.
1, 2. Oh my god. Well, sorry, I didn't have a good grab. 1, 2, 3. Holy shit.
Where do you want this at?
We'll throw this up on the, sorry, up in the bed of the truck if we can. Back of my leg off the corner of that trailer.
Yeah, this, I guess he never knew the combination, never had keys to it, but there's
Nothing in
it, so.
Couldn't have left us a little gold mound or.
Yeah, just sitting there.
There we go.
So that's got some weight to it.
Oh yeah. That might be a dollar there by itself. Are gonna run out and pick up some parts I dropped off with Beth Hovan, who is an awesome tattoo artist and just artist in general. She painted some real cool stuff on my gas tank for the Sportster and the oil tank. So we're gonna make our way out there, and it's also that area's garbage night. So we're gonna do a little twofer. I'm gonna get her paid and pick up my stuff from her and show it off to you guys, and then cruise through Greensburg, see what's up, see what we can find. Oh my god. The cutest. Hi.
I'm dying.
What's her name again? Baylor? Valor?
Veda.
Veda. Hi.
Say hello.
Oh my god. Oh, you're precious. Oh, look at that.
Your big cheese.
I love that.
How much anxiety I felt making circles?
I tried on the fender. I did my fender on the spot where you won't see under the seat because I'm like, I'm gonna practice. I did a little piece of cheese on there.
Yeah.
And the circles were the worst part.
Literally so hard. It's like
That looks so good. Oh my god, this tank. That's so fucking cool.
Like it.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Here, I got a little reward money.
Oh, thank you.
No,
Did
thank
do
you.
that?
I wanted to. You did your labor. I got paid you for that. That's awesome. Stay there, Bubbas. Do the tank right down here. Oh,
Boop.
perfect.
What are you up to?
Right now, I'm gonna go garbage picking and. be it for this one. I spy with my little eye. How about a garage door opener? Yeah, we'll have that. Wonder, probably do better turn it up in here. We'll punch that on over. Hey, that's metal too, we'll have it. How are you guys liking that hat mount, by the way? Let me know. Look at that, there's a nice metal chair. We'll have that. Out here. Yeah, we'll pass on that, but we'll have a board. Wheels are there. We will have that. Seen this little shiny thing caught my eye. Oh man. It's like a lot of cord in there. We'll take it, we'll have it. Is this a Playmate? Can we clean it up? I need one of these, that's perfect. We'll clean it up. That might even sell. No microwave left behind. That's our policy. Oh, we're good. So kind of already started here. Choochie boy had some good old scrap for me to take. Swung by, gonna pick up this pal, add it to it, take it home, throw it in a bigger pal. This is the second little pal here. We're gonna get loaded up. Got some old dog crates. Cool metal storage thing. Cool beans. First things first, we gotta unload the truck and we'll get it all ready to go pick up our scrap pal. Okay, so Dookie and I just got to our stop with all this scrap we got to pick up. And he's gonna hang out here and go potty. You gotta go potty? Go potty. While I load this up. It's a nice little pal. Ooh, even got some wiring. How about that? Service in. Might be like a power. That might be worth checking to see if, I don't know. It looks kind of cruddy though. We'll try it out. See if it works. If it works, it might be something worth reselling. Ford radio. This thing probably belonged in the scrapyard to begin with. Got an intercooler here. Oh, Oh, microwave. Ooh, look at that. Skrr. Ooh, how about some utensils? Copper. Little grate action. Oh, that's nice and heavy. That's what we like. Looks like a Chevy radio out of like a Cobalt or whatever you have. It's a GM. Probably belonged in the scrap too. I think that's it. That'll do it. Shout out to Jake Conley for letting me know that was there and saying I could have it. Much appreciated, fella. Got my boy Nate with me today. Got the combination of the scrap I picked up from my parents' house, the stuff from garbage picking in Greensburg, and whatever was left in my yard. I think we might break the $30 mark today. What do you think?
See what we can do.
Okay, I left the receipt back there, but we did $46.80. I think I dropped the dime too, so what do you think, bud?
It's better than before.
Fuck yeah. Kicking ass, taking names, taking your scrap, there ain't no shame.